Hi ladies, I did this video because I already noticed that you have some problems uploading the Arukai. So I'm here in Arukai, I am here in programming with Scratch 5 and this is the session number 1, okay? I'm gonna show you where do you need to go to upload your Arukai project, okay? Here we have the pages, so we need to go until page 13 to upload the work, okay? So that's why we are in the page number 8. We are in the page 10, 11, 12. Okay, so we are in the page 13, all right? It's important that before you upload the file or the project that you did, you click in Abrir Editor. In here, it's gonna open like a mini Scratch, and you're going to subir desde tu computador, click in Archivo, click in Subir desde tu computador, and then you're gonna find where you have your project. In here, this is my example. I click in the green one and I check if everything is working. Mine is working, so I'm gonna close. After I check that my project is working, I'm going to click in Administrador de Archivos. Teacher, but look, I have 3 files. Yes, but don't worry. You are going to open another one and you're going to upload another one. And I'm not going to see these ones anymore, okay? So you click in Archivo. You're gonna find your project again. You click in Open. It's charging. And then you're gonna see that, look, today it's Tuesday, 3 November, 6:16. That means that now my file is ready. All right? When you finish this, remember to go to the next part, that is the test. Okay? There are 5 questions. The idea is that you do them, because the project and the quiz is going to be 1 grade. All right? I hope this video helps you a lot. Bye-bye.